Aaron here for the love of tech, because I love tech and you love tech. Today, I want to talk to you about my adventure. A slight little adventure, but it was my adventure with the OnePlus Buds. That's right, the new truly wireless OnePlus Buds went out on the internet as a type of flash sale. They were available for a very limited amount of time in which I had missed out on. So that forced me here. That is right. I went to eBay and I paid $50 above retail in order to get these for you so I can unbox them and show you guys what they look like, what they feel like, my impressions, and more importantly, how they sound. Let's get into it. It's like we're doing surgery because I'm trying to cut the wrapper without cutting the wrapper, if you get what I'm saying. So give me a second, I'll get to it. Here it is. OnePlus Buds White. Looks pretty good. So my initial concern about taking it to eBay was whether or not they would be open or unwrapped, but there was a lovely person out there that went ahead and bought these and threw them out on the internet and charged $50 plus shipping above retail. So that's right, I paid like $130 for these, but it's okay. If you are just buying them from OnePlus or not from some scam artist on eBay like I did, then, well, you're gonna pay $79, $80 for these wireless earbuds. Now, are they worth it? That is what we're going to find out today. So I want you to take notice what I have around my neck at the moment. And yeah, these are the OnePlus Bullet Z's. And I want you to know I use these every single day of my life. Let's get into them. I'm being silly. So here it is. These are similar to other earbuds with similar casings, if you will. We are following in the steps of course, Apple. So that's the box. We've got this, some papers, charging cable. They come warp charge enabled. What that means is, yes, you will be able to use your warp charging brick and this cable or other OnePlus cables in order to get some good charging speed out of it, which is phenomenal. Warp charging is one of the best charging technologies out there, in my opinion. So the big gripe that I read on the internet is that people are complaining that the touchpad on the side is not multifunctional. It does one thing. You can program it to do one thing and one thing only. Personally, I always get confused to all holy heck about what that one tap, double tap, triple tap, long hold does. I switch earbuds so often that I can't remember what does what. Back to the OnePlus Wireless Z Bullets. I love these for several reasons. They do have the soft tips. They do go in my ear. I want you to know I use these every single night when I go to bed, listening to meditation, and I absolutely love it. So many things. So I'm gonna be a hard convert to be able to start using these on a nightly basis. The other thing is, not all ears are created equal. Now, you've heard me say that before on the channel. Not all ears are created equal. And what do I mean when I say that? I mean, not everyone can comfortably and effectively use earbuds. It's just true. There's a small percentage, maybe even a medium or large percentage of us out there that have no use for earbuds unless they can effectively stay in my ears. I prefer not to use earbuds unless they have the little thing, like my LV Buds have the little wing. My Samsung Galaxy Buds and Buds Plus, they both have the little wing. The Echo Buds, they have the wing. But buds like this, the Pixel Buds, Apple AirPods, Apple AirPod Pros, they don't stay in my ear. And it's very, very disappointing. And I just want you to know there's nothing I can do about it, nothing you can do about it. We're gonna go ahead and take our beautiful OnePlus 8 Pro and we're going to experience the pairing process together. So we're gonna go ahead and flip these open, see if there's any sort of Bluetooth magic. Okay, tap to pair. There we go, connecting OnePlus Buds. This is a very similar process to my OnePlus Bullet Zs. So I am happy to see that OnePlus and other manufacturers are really getting on board by creating a good, easy, seamless pairing process. I believe that they are taking a hint from Apple, a play out of their playbook, if you will, and it is definitely noticeable, and I commend them when one company or manufacturer is doing something right. Some people say, oh, they're copying. No, they're delivering a solid process that another company already came up with. Someone, only one, can only be first. It doesn't mean that it's theirs forever. So I'm gonna be honest, these look a lot like the hard shell of the Apple AirPods. I can really see how someone could look at these and think, oh, are those AirPods? No, oh, they're knockoffs. That makes sense. You know, sometimes I wonder if I'm putting these in wrong, but it's like I only have one hole in my ear, so it's going into the only place I have. You see, they don't stay in my ear. Let's pull up some music. Now to listen to the wireless Z Buds and have like a little bit of a comparison. I can just stop right there after just a couple seconds of listening to this. These are by far superior, but they're also wired. So if you're looking for that true wireless experience, maybe this is the route for you. For 80 bucks. I think these were like 59 or 60 bucks, and the sound quality is completely different, just hands down way better than these. Just, I can't even describe to you the difference in sound quality. The highs, the lows of just a few seconds of listening, I'm like, whoo, these are kind of trash. These are kind of amazing. Not to say these aren't worth buying or listening or whatever. So the other aspect of this is, of course, sound recording, call quality, all of that stuff, which we can go ahead and get into that in a later, deeper review. That is all that we have today for this wonderful unboxing and quick little comparison between the Galaxy Z wireless buds and the OnePlus Buds. If you want to go ahead and hit subscribe, like, comment, all that algorithmic goodness to go ahead and let YouTube know that, hey, maybe this guy's worth watching. Maybe he's not. I'll even take a thumbs down at this point. I'll take what I can get. Guys, for the love of tech, till next time, namaste.